great warrior. You have such a beautiful world, filled with an abundance of life. Savory. My master grows hungry. Give me the transwarp key, and he will spare your home.
We'd rather die than let him reach other planets.
So be it. Benefits of serving the almighty Unicron. They never learn.
You're too late, Scourge. Your master will be trapped in this galaxy forever.
No.
Their sacrifice will be our oath to preserve the key, no matter the cost.
Slip away with the transwarp key. Scour the universe and find where the Maximals have gone. When you acquire the key, use it to bring me to you.
Yes, my lord.
Rip the flesh from their bones and bring me the key.
Here's yours.
Guys, we got company!
Autobots, protect the key!
Impossible.
This is for B. Come here.
But you're going to die on this speck of dust.
I can think of no better place to bury you.